In my last video, I have completed the last part of the chapter as well as the first part of the exercise, so that we have completed up to identify the animals. Okay, now we will start. So now we will start the Okay, now we will start from match the following. You go through it. First one is, you will give the answer to me so that I come to know whether you know or you don't know that. So the first one is prawn. Prawn will match with which one is the from here, which one you will choose for its respiratory organ? Write fast. What is it? It should be prawn. Means prawn respire through its what? It should be gills. Okay. Now paramecium. Paramecium respires with the which one? Paramecium respires with body surface, isn't it? Now earthworm. Earthworm respires with moist skin. And grasshopper, we know they have the special holes and they respire through the spiracles, and the breathing tubes are also there for their respiration, isn't it? Now if we'll see the last one, dolphin. We know dolphin are the aquatic mammals, so they respire through their lungs. This one is the fifth one. Okay, so now see what are the matches. Prawn with the gills, paramecium with the body surface, earthworm with the moist skin, grasshopper with the spiracles, as well as dolphin is with the lungs. These are the matches of your whatever match the following, column 1 to 2. Now very short answers we will write here. Very short answers. Very good. Who has written this answer? Abhipsha has given. Okay. Very short answers. Number 1 is given here. Name 2 aquatic animals that swim with the help of flippers. Who are they? Name 2 aquatic animals that that swim with the help of flippers. So write down. The answer is penguin and seal. And seal. Write the 2 examples. These are penguin and seal. Yes. Duck and swan do not have any flippers, dear. They have the webbed feet, but they do not have flippers. Okay. Now next one is, name 2 animals that have scales on their body. So these are fishes and reptiles. Reptiles means fishes, you know. Reptiles means snakes are there. Who are reptiles? Snakes are there, crocodiles are there, then alligators are there. They all are the reptilians, or you can say reptiles. So they are also having scales. Yes, snakes are reptiles. Very good. So the fishes and reptiles you will write. Third question is, name 2 birds that cannot fly. You know that. That is emu and ostrich. Emu and ostrich. The fourth answer, what are the breathing organ of insect call? So the breathing organ, actually they are having the breathing tubes and they take the oxygen from the spiracles. So we will write the both name, spiracles and breathing tubes. Spiracles, and they have interconnected tubes So these are called the breathing tubes which spread the oxygen within the body. So these are the breathing tubes which are very prompt in insects. So insects take respiration, they breathe with the help of spiracles as well as from their breathing tube. So this is the answer, spiracles and the breathing tube. Now we will move for the short answer questions. Okay, so I am rubbing this one, the first one, match. Short answer question. Question 1 is what we know the animals live in the natural surrounding, they grow there, they whatever their functions they do there, this is called they reproduces, they grow, they eat, whatever their metabolic things they do in within that natural environment. So that is called their habitat. So we will write it down. An area in which a particular animal naturally lives, eats, grows and reproduces and is called its habitat. You can cite one example. You can cite example of polar bear. Polar bear are having the habitat of, in which place they are habitat. Polar region is their habitat, as well as we can write the camels are having the desert is their natural habitat, and lion they are having the forest is their natural habitat. So we can cite one example. Okay, so write one example. Camel have camels natural habitat is desert. So camel's natural habitat is desert, and we can write polar bear's natural habitat is polar region. Like fishes are having water, water is their natural habitat. So the all animals which are having the different kind of habitats, you can cite one example from there. Okay, now the next question is given here. Why do animals migrate? So the answer to we will write here. Answer to we will write, why do animals migrate? Animals migrate for few reasons. These are to get their to protect themselves from the harsh weather, to get food, for breeding grounds, and to search for their mating pair sometimes, and they crosses miles and miles distances and migrate from one place to another. Okay, so the why do they migrate? Animals migrate animals animals migrate from one place to another to avoid harsh environmental conditions search food and reach their breeding grounds. Okay, so animals migrate from one place to another to avoid harsh environmental conditions, search food, and to reach their breeding grounds. Just like the one salmon fishes travel from oceans to the river, just in because they lay eggs in the fresh water. Monarch butterfly migrate from Canada to Mexico in the winter season, and few cranes and few kinds of animals like the Siberian crane and mallard ducks, they come to India just to protect themselves from the harsh environmental condition. So these all are the examples. They are coming here for the search of food, and salmon is migrating just to for the searching of their breeding grounds. So these all are the examples. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you the size so that you can write, and actually the next question I would like to write, but the time is getting over, so you just write these answers from 3 onwards. We will write in my video. Tomorrow maybe you will get the or tomorrow if I have the class. Yes, I have class tomorrow. I have also class, so tomorrow we will write the remaining answers. One more question: what is meant by adaptation? Actually, okay, we will write it tomorrow. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, and please write it down in your copy so that you will get all the answers, and project whatever the project for your science that we will discuss maybe on Tuesday, okay, in live class. Okay, thank you.